Hi! My name is Justin Solicchio and nandito po ako para sabihin na pakiboto naman po si Kiko number 51 and si Bam number 5. Usually you see me drawing here on SOCMED.
I love
That is because that's the thing that I want to do in life. However, I still believe that education and food is the best thing that a senator should be able to work on. At may malinaw na plataforma dito sina Kiko at si Bam Aquino. Also, they're very known to go to actually author very important bills. At alam niyo pong magkakaroon kayo ng sasabisyuhan nila kayo bilang mga senador kapag nandun sila. Hindi po tulad ng iba na magkakalat lang sa Senado na magkakaroon lang ng kaguluhan dun sa napaka-importanting bahay ng paggawa ng batas sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po and vote!